Welcome to another captivating episode on our channel, where we delve deep into the fascinating world of agriculture. Today we take you on an extraordinary journey to the vibrant fields of India, where the golden spice of turmeric is cultivated with care and precision. From planting to harvesting, and finally, to processing, we will explore every step involved in bringing this miraculous spice from farm to table. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind one of the most prized crops in the world, turmeric. Turmeric, known scientifically as curcuma longa, is a spice that has been a cornerstone of Indian culture, cuisine, and medicine for centuries. Revered for its vibrant color and potent medicinal properties, turmeric is more than just a spice, it is a symbol of tradition and health. India, the largest producer of turmeric, accounts for nearly 80% of the world's supply. The journey of turmeric, from a tiny rhizome to the golden powder used in households worldwide, is nothing short of remarkable. Let's dive into the meticulous process of turmeric farming and harvesting in India. Turmeric cultivation begins with the careful selection of rhizomes. Farmers typically choose high-quality, disease-free rhizomes from the previous harvest. These rhizomes are usually cut into smaller pieces, each with a bud, ensuring they can sprout and grow into healthy plants. The planting season for turmeric in India varies by region, but generally falls between April and June, coinciding with the onset of the monsoon. The soil preparation is a critical step in the process. Turmeric thrives in well-drained, fertile soils rich in organic matter. Farmers often prepare the land by plowing it multiple times to achieve a fine tilth, followed by the application of organic manure or compost to enhance soil fertility. Once the soil is ready, the rhizomes are planted at a depth of about 5 to 7 centimeters, with spacing that allows the plants to grow without overcrowding. Irrigation is essential during the initial stages to ensure proper germination and growth. Turmeric plants usually begin to sprout within 3 to 4 weeks of planting. Weeding is an essential task during the early stages of growth. As it helps reduce competition for nutrients and water. Farmers often employ manual weeding methods, though in larger fields, mechanical weeders may be used. Irrigation plays a crucial role throughout the growth cycle of turmeric. While the crop is not highly water-intensive, it does require consistent moisture. Farmers in regions with erratic rainfall often supplement natural rainfall with additional irrigation, particularly during dry spells. The frequency and amount of water depend on the soil type, climate, and growth stage of the plants. To protect the crop from pests and diseases, Indian farmers often use a combination of traditional and modern methods. The harvest of turmeric is a labor-intensive process that requires careful timing. The crop is typically ready for harvest 7 to 9 months after planting, when the leaves and stems of the plant start to turn yellow and dry out. In India, turmeric harvesting generally occurs between December and March, depending on the region. The harvesting process begins with the cutting of the plant tops, leaving only the rhizomes in the soil. These rhizomes are then carefully dug out using spades or mechanical harvesters. The harvested rhizomes are gathered and cleaned to remove soil and other impurities. After harvesting, turmeric undergoes a meticulous preservation process. First, the locals wash the turmeric with water to remove any remaining mud and dirt. Next, the turmeric is neatly arranged in pots and placed on the stove to cook. This cooking process takes place directly over the fire until the turmeric is fully cooked. Once done, the turmeric is spread out on the ground to dry under the sun. When it's completely dry, the turmeric is put into a rotating machine. The machine removes the outer layer, revealing the bright golden color inside, which looks very appealing. Finally, the turmeric is carefully packaged, allowing it to be preserved for several years without losing its quality. After polishing, the rhizomes are ground into a fine powder, which is then sieved to obtain a uniform texture. The turmeric powder is finally packaged for sale in local markets or exported worldwide. Turmeric is carefully sorted by local farmers to select the highest quality rhizomes. These selected rhizomes are then taken to major markets, where experienced traders meticulously examine each one. Only the best turmeric rhizomes are purchased in large quantities for export. This process ensures that the finest products are shipped to international markets, bringing significant economic value to the farmers. Turmeric is not just a crop, it is a vital part of India's economy and culture. It plays a significant role in the livelihoods of millions of farmers and is a crucial component of India's spice exports. Beyond its economic value, turmeric holds a special place in Indian traditions, rituals, and medicine. It is used in various forms, from cooking to skincare, and is celebrated for its numerous health benefits. As we conclude our journey through the turmeric fields of India, it's clear that the process of bringing this golden spice from farm to table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of Indian farmers. Each step, from planting to processing, is carried out with precision and care, ensuring that the turmeric we use in our kitchens is of the highest quality. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of turmeric farming and harvesting. We hope this documentary has given you a deeper appreciation for the effort and expertise that goes into producing this incredible spice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on farming and agriculture, and we would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share your experiences or questions about turmeric farming. Let's keep the conversation growing.